That is weird, man. I wish I'd have started from the... Yeah, I know, dude. I wish I'd have started filming this from the beginning. You think so?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. My kids just went in your house.
It's all good.
Okay. Your wife is probably thinking, okay.
We got more?
What is he doing?
I don't know, man.
Are we that interested?
This is what, the 4th or 5th time he circled us?
This is the 5th pass. You want beer, dude?
I'm good. I got a glass of wine, dude. I need to get back and go to work. I'm gonna keep filming this guy.
I can't believe we're that interested.
I know. What are these guys up to? I hope there's not some guys hidden in the woods about to jump out with guns. Ava! Go get... My Ava, go get your mom.
Ava and Autumn, come here. Ava, leave that there.
Daddy, why did they keep circling around?
Go get Mama. See, even she knows it.
Yeah.
She just said it. Take that jump rope back over there, Ava. Ava C.
Ours is Ava C also.
Uh-oh.
Campbell.
Well, we got a weird last name.
What is it?
Cogdill.
Cogdill? Awesome. You play any video games, man?
We just bought a Wii.
Did you?
Yeah.
Look at him, it's coming right over.
This is like the 7th time. Yes. I guess we're just that interested.
Yeah. I'm Cheryl.
I'm Mitchell.
Yeah, we meet these guys when we're moving out.
That's my wife. That's Ava.
Yeah,
that's what he said.
I came over and asked him that.
Hi.
How are you? I don't know how to get it over here, but this helicopter has circled us like 7 times now. He comes right over us. He'll go like that direction and then dart like right towards us. I do not know. But that's considered harassment, man. And now he's gone. He's gone.
Guess he realized we weren't doing anything.
Yeah. What are they out to there? Alright, he's gone.